how to make this gorgeous DIY river rock pathway for your garden. All the details coming right up. Hi, it's Marcy and welcome back. Today's creative video is all about making a faux river rock, a large river rock pathway through your garden. No matter what size your garden is, you can always use another pathway. You can never have too many. Here is a list of materials that I used. I'm going to start by taking vinyl blinds and making the forms for them. And this is going to be so easy because the concrete will be released from them quite easily. What I'm first going to do is set down 5 of my forms that I made with the vinyl strapping or the blinds. I'm going to set them up and we're going to mix the concrete up. To hold them in, this is what we're going to be using, our simple stakes. You can just get these at Home Depot. And I would highly suggest another set of hands. It makes it so much easier. This is where it definitely comes in handy, having another set of hands help you, because this is the hardest part of it, and that's just mixing of all the concrete together. And we just put one bag in there. Make sure you wear a mask for safety. And we're adding the second bag. This will allow me to do at least 2 at a time. This is the perfect time to do a project like this. It's early morning and the sun is just coming out. It's kind of cool right now and it's going to dry quite nicely. This first one took about 1.5 bags and I'm building it up to the black liners right here that are guiding the pathway. So we'll let this set for, maybe 5-10 minutes or so, not a long time. And then the forms are removed, and as well as the stakes, and then we'll continue on the pathway with more forms. It's that easy. You can tell if the forms are ready when you lift up the forms slightly and the concrete doesn't really move. So that's a good sign. And then it started to rain. Here I thought the weather was just so amazing, and it is, but rain and our concrete really don't go well hand in hand, especially when the concrete still has to cure, so we just covered it with plastic and waited it out. All right, so it's nothing but a little sun shower, and we're going to start removing the forms here. But as you can see, the rain, before we got the plastic on, it did leave a few little pebbly-like areas, like it's a design. It's kind of cool actually, but I don't want it on this, and we're going to go and smooth it out again. It becomes a little bit rough on the side right here. All you want to do is take a chip brush like this and brush it down like so. And it rains again. It rained out hard last night and yesterday. It poured all day. I'm gonna take this off and let these kind of dry out. This is really nice though. Look at that, that's hard. It's nice, wow. Yeah, we're gonna start right here. Fill her up. I'm gonna lay this tarp over. Now it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Just helps keep debris off the concrete, and it also just kind of helps it set undisturbed. So here you notice that I colored these like a charcoal color after I had set the stones, and it really didn't come out great. I wasn't liking the look. So what we're doing now is doing a top coat of the regular concrete mix that we did all the other stones with, and basically just a top coat. And I think this is going to be just fine. The coloration that we want is looking very organic, the color and as well as the shape. So I'm not resetting the form around the piece. I mean, you could do that, but you really don't need to in this case. We made it to the end of the pathway. This, as you recall, was where I had colored the concrete stones a charcoal, and I didn't like it. I didn't much care for it, so I changed it up. And now we're just simply taking the plastic, which we had put over the top of the stones back here, and we're taking them and making these little imprints. And I'm going to show you real close to see if you can see that. Let me see. See those little imprints there? I love that texture, and that is created by plastic. Now you can actually put the plastic on and leave it to dry like we did over here. And we did this just because it started to rain out. And you can see, let me see if I can get, there's a lot of shadows here. Let me see if I can, okay, see that texture? I happen to think that's really pretty. If you don't want that in there, of course, you don't have to have that in there, but that was done by laying in the plastic. When it started to pour out, we just laid the plastic over it to prevent the concrete from getting destroyed by the pouring rain. And that is why actually it's taking so long for me to finish this project, because there's been so much rain here, and that's okay. Right now, we're going to complete the rest of this, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you the reveal. I can't wait to see the reveal. What am I saying? That plastic creates such an organic look. It's so pretty to manipulate the concrete like that. Like to thank you so much for joining us. Have an amazing day.